Hi, everyone, and welcome to IDS 504. I am so excited to spend this semester with you in the very first course of the IDS MA degree, where we learn how in graduate work we are not just consuming knowledge, but we are also producing original ideas and original questions with our unique answers. So let's talk a little bit about how this online asynchronous course is going to go. I want to make sure you can hit the ground running. So that's why we make sure that you are able to understand the layout of the course. So I'm going to share my Canvas screen with you. Get started checklist. And after you watch this Canvas video that you're already watching now, you'll go to the course information and schedule. Your course syllabus gives you the basics of everything you need to know before enrolling, but this is going to be the day-to-day information about the assignments and schedules. So look that over. A little bit about me, your professor, how discussion board grading works, minimum technology requirements. I'm sure you have them. We just need the ability with high-speed internet and the ability to post different kinds of Word documents, or you can also PDF from different files, as well as we'll be using an open source site, Canva, that you'll be able to create your different assignments from. And we do have some opportunities for voice threads, some interaction. So you'll want some audio, or you can also type into those assignments as well. I have some frequently asked questions, but let's just go to the home page for a moment and just realize that you'll notice that the modules are going to overlap a little bit because sometimes we'll be brainstorming projects and processing time. So know that while you're finishing up discussion board 1, you're going to start your quiz for module 2, which is when we move into our first research method that we're going to be exploring. And know that while this method goes all the way to the 14th, there'll also be small lectures and quizzes on your next method to watch while you're having time to process and create ideas for each of these assignments. So just be aware that while they do go in chronological order, sometimes the modules information will overlap a little bit, and that's just to give you time to process, to think, to write, and also have some new knowledge emerging throughout the semester. So you'll see that here, and your to-do list is always right here. And know that sometimes if there's more than just 2 responses to a discussion board, you'll get a little reminder. Everything has a different emoji, and when you see 2 people, that's just a reminder to go back to a discussion board so that you don't forget. Well, that's what I have for you on navigating the course, and we are going to be talking so much throughout the semester. Reach out anytime. We can Zoom. If you're on campus, we can talk on campus. I also have my cell phone. So I'm excited to not only be your graduate coordinator and your advisor, but also your first professor in the program. I look forward to interacting with you this semester. Reach out and let's talk a lot. Thanks so much.